Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am so happy to have you here because in today's video we will be having tons of cleaning motivation. It's just going to be a really fun, motivating video, and I am just so happy to get this video started. Plus, on top of that, I have some really great news that I've been dying to share with you guys. So stay tuned. And also, before leaving, could you please consider on subscribing, thumbs up this video. This will just help me so much for my channel, and I'm looking forward to seeing you throughout the video. Okay, so hubby bought me this multi-purpose kitchen shelf for $115.99 before tax. They have it in white, black, and brown. Of course, I chose the white one because it just matches with my decor. And I love that it has an ample storage space and a vintage design, which I absolutely love. It's very sturdy and durable, and it's also worry-free after sales service, meaning they provide 18 months warranty, lifetime professional customer service. And look how beautiful it is. I am in love with it. And no, this is not sponsored in any way. Like I said, husband bought it for me, so I am loving it. All right, guys, so here's another DIY, and this is my DIY fridge spray. It smells amazing. It's an all-natural way to clean and deodorize your fridge. You guys know I'm all about the natural way to clean because I suffer from allergies when I use harsh chemicals. But all you're going to want to do is simply mix 1 cup of lukewarm water, half a cup of white vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Shake, and this mix can be stored for up to 3 months. Let me know if you guys tried it before or you plan on trying it. I highly recommend it, and happy cleaning, you guys. In case you guys didn't know, I'm gonna let you know now. But Chris got me these look-alike toothbrushes a while back. I've been loving it for my everyday cleaning, especially when it's a very hard area to clean. I do not like to work harder. I actually like to work smarter. So I think these two combinations with the DIY fridge spray plus this look-alike toothbrush works really good together without me having to put any type of elbow grease into this. And they have like different types of bristles. They have like copper, stainless steel bristles, and so much other ones that for you, the type of cleaning that you need it for. And excuse me, well, Chris got it, I think at Lowe's or Home Depot, but I'm sure you can get them at either a warehouse. But they're very affordable. Chris, I think he spent like $3 or $4 for it, and But yeah, but I am loving these two combinations, and I just wanted to share with you guys because that's what I'm here for, is so I can figure it out to make your life easier. And hopefully you will consider in using these products that I recommend. And it's not this video is not sponsored whatsoever. I just want to help mamas out there to make their life better and faster cleaning, and just give you some motivation and to do your everyday living. So here, I did not know I took out all the plastic when I first bought my refrigerator, but apparently not. But we're gonna go ahead and clean that up and then wipe everything down, and that way we'll be good to go into putting back our food back in the refrigerator. All right, so fruits can get pretty expensive nowadays, so we want to make it last longer in our refrigerator, right? So we're gonna want to mix 1 part vinegar with 10 parts water, and then we're just gonna want to soak this for about 5 minutes. I honestly just let it soak until I remember to come back. But and then you're gonna want to drain your fruit, and then you're gonna set them out to dry for about 20 minutes. You may also place them on paper towels to faster dry them. And all I did was put them back in my washed container because it really has a nice ventilation. Okay, so once we are done cleaning and organizing our refrigerator, we can move on into the outside of the kitchen, which is we're just going to clean off the table as well as we're going to put away the produce. But before doing so, I do want to talk about the good news and why the husband bought me a kitchen shelf, what pretty much is a congratulation gift. And that is because, you guys, I cannot believe I'm saying this, but we finally hit 1,000 subscribers. I still can't believe when I say it out loud. I've been knowing this news for about a week now, and I just been holding out and telling anyone the good news, and that is because I was scared that I might lose subscribers, it was going to come back down or something. It was just mind-blowing for me, honestly. It was just I don't know. It was just surreal to, like, I couldn't believe this because if you've been watching my videos, I've been on YouTube here for about 3 years now, and I know 1,000 might seem a lot to you guys, but to me, it is just a really part of a dream come true because it is very hard to do YouTube. If you are a creator yourself, you know where I'm coming from. It's very hard to keep yourself motivated and stay motivated for others. And sometimes I felt like giving up. Honestly, I literally put some blood, sweat, and tears into these videos. I would wake up sore. There was times I just didn't even want to do a video, or there was times where I would compare myself to others when doing other videos. It's just very, very hard. And honestly, I just have to thank God for giving me the strength and the courage and the motivation that I needed. And also, I wanted to thank my family because they kept on telling me to keep doing it. I was gonna get there, and I'm here. I'm finally here. And sorry for my voice, but it just really, like, it breaks my heart sometimes. Not like in a bad way, but I just don't want to give my kids that impression when things get tough is to quit, you know? So that was one of the reasons why I kept on doing what I do. And plus, you guys are not last at all. I also have you to thank because when I wasn't doing a video, I thought, oh, no one would notice. But you guys, you noticed, and you would message me on Instagram and say, hey girl, what's going on? Like, why isn't there no video? Are you okay? What's going on with the family? And I will open up to you guys. And I don't have many friends, but you guys became my friends here on YouTube, on Instagram, and you've given me video ideas and just pretty much it's weird to say, like, would think, like, who's here to motivate me? But honestly, you guys are the ones that are here to motivate me. And it's funny how I say these videos are cleaning motivations, but the only reason why I'm motivated is because you guys, honestly. So I don't know. I just have you, God, my family to thank for all the love and support, for always being there for me. And I'm just so happy we're finally here. And I hope that we can continue to grow with each other and learn from each other. And that is the good news, you guys. I'm so happy right now. And again, thank you. And I will let you get back into the video. Yay, so we finally reached the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you found it helpful in any way, please thumbs it up. This will further let me know that you are enjoying, and that way I can continue in creating this type of content for you guys. And please excuse me if I was rambling so much on this video, but I just needed to express my feelings. And again, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. God bless. I love you guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.